the minimum bar width property. The minimum bar width property associated with the column chart. Now we can see different columns for Cairo, have another column for Delhi, and so on and so forth, representing all the cities. Now there is a measurement for each of the columns. The minimum bar width ensures that the size of the column at least has a minimum that it can reach. For example, let's decide to drag the column and make it smaller. We can see that as we drag it, it becomes smaller and then it stops at a point. Now, because it has stopped, there is a screw bar here. Initially, as we can see, the columns are bigger. Now, when we go back small, we see that the columns don't reduce in size again. It remains the same, and that is why there is a screw bar at the bottom. So the minimum bar width, let's look for the minimum bar width for this, is set to 100. Now, if you are to reduce the minimum bar width to say 50 pixels, now when we drag, we can drag it up to this point, and it is still, there wouldn't be any screw bar associated with it, so that it can occupy a smaller space. So when you go further below the 50 pixels, then it gives you a scroll bar. In that case, the user has to scroll to the next city because before it can see clearly what the chart is representing. So the minimum bar ensures that there is a minimum size of the column within which the column chart can represent. And it is very, very useful, especially if you want to reduce the size of the whole chart into a particular space. Thank you.